dressed the truth in velvet, spoke it soft so I believe. Every kiss a counterfeit, every word a thief. I poured my faith like whiskey, straight and burning down my throat. But the glass was always empty, and your love was just a joke. I shouldn't miss a liar, but I still crave the flame, even knowing every promise was just a crooked game. You stained me with your silence, then you lit me with desire. I shouldn't miss a liar, but I'm singing in the fire. Your kindness cut like paper, sweet disguise for every sin. I wore the hurt like perfume, hope didn't make you stay again. The mirror keeps on asking why I still recall your name, when the truth was never gentle and the mercy was all